today we are actually just from a safari, and here we are in Nakuru. Whoops! And I thought, because I get so many questions of you guys asking about, okay, Sinja, what is it? What do I need to carry and to pack for my safari? What is the most important? So I thought, while we were driving, why don't I just show you what I am having today? So let's have a look. So my bag actually is just here with me. So number one is you need a backpack, something small. I actually, as you can see here, I just carried my own handbag because I gave one of the backpacks to my clients here. So what is inside? This one is for the camera. Of course, you guys need a camera to shoot all the beautiful animals and everything you see. So that one, I carry always the camera with. Then let me see. That's what I found. So you need a sanitizer. Like today, we went somewhere in the blue for the washroom, and there's not always running water, so sanitizer is good. And when it comes to the toilet, also in my bag here, I always have some tissues with me. So most of the cars, most of the drivers will provide that for you, but to be on the safe side, getting some tissues I think is a good idea. Then you have seen snacks. Game drive can be exhausting. You can be in the car for hours, maybe the full day. And yes, you will get packed lunch, or you go somewhere nice for lunch, but you might be hungry. Having some snacks is a must. And also your own water bottle. Like most of the safari companies, they provide you with this kind of bottles which are reusable. I think it's the best, because I simply think it's not the best if you have so many plastic bottles and then you keep on destroying the environment. And also, like for us in our car, we have the big water bottle. Hope you can see. We have the big water bottle, like the 10 liters and 20 liters of water. So every time we need water, we just refill our bottles. I think that's way better. So you put that down. Let's see what else we have here in my bag. Oh yeah, you guys can see me. Let me just stand up and show you, like the way I'm dressed. It's just simple dress, and actually there's so much going on, and clients always ask me, Sinja, what do I wear on safari? And I will actually make another video about that. But let me just be honest. Let me sit down, it's so windy here. Don't overthink, like wear whatever you feel comfortable with. But during the daytime it can get super sunny, that's why you see me wearing this. And in the mornings and evenings it can be cold. So it's definitely something on top is what I always have in my bag. And then my absolute favorite, I carry it everywhere I go, everywhere I travel. This is a Masai shuka. Can you see? And it can be a scarf. Or I can even use it as a blanket. So having a shuka or something like a scarf to cover yourself also from the wind, I think that's really important. Then you can see I cannot even really open my eyes. It is super sunny. So having sunglasses and also maybe a sun hat. I'm just not a type of who really wears sun hats. But I think to protect yourself, sun hat, sunglasses and also sun lotion is a good tip. I don't think for myself, honestly, that I have any sun lotions, as I'm used to it. So the only time I personally take sun lotions is when I go to the beach. So let's get back my bag, see what else we can find. Oh yeah, hand lotion. And this is not just a woman thing. I truly believe that having hand lotion is a must while traveling in Kenya. Also, I have some lip balsam somewhere. Because here it's super dry and it's super dusty. So I consistently feel like I need some lotions. So I think that's important. Also for men. And what else do I have? Yeah, here just a small bag where I have my most important documents, like my passport. Still have a mask. We don't really use them anymore during COVID, but just like some of the small things you might need, like your own personal documents are inside, and credit card and this kind of things. Yeah. Then what else do I have here? I like carrying vitamins, so whenever I am tired of water, or I feel like at least I take once a day. Then I have, what else do I find here? Oh yeah, very important, power bank. I actually do have 2 power banks with me right now because they keep on, like, my phone I think simply has an issue. So I carry 2 power banks just in case, because I'm always on my phone. I always do need it, and I think that's one of the most important things. Then for myself, I have here Panadol, some painkillers. You never know, the sun can be very strong, and I think it's just the easiest when you have your own painkillers with you. Yeah, let's see, is there anything else which is important apart from trash what I can show you guys? No, nothing really important, anything here. Apart from binocular. So, and this is actually not mine. Let's have a look. So this is from the guide, our driver, he gave it to us. And most of the safaris depends on where you book. If it's a private one, they will provide you with a binocular. But I think it's just good to know that you just ask wherever you book your safari if they have this provided, because if you really want to see and spot animals, I think it's super important to have a binocular with you. And of course they are really expensive, so I'm not sure if it's worth it just to go and buy one. There are also like companies where you can hire them out, but if your driver guide has one, I think that's the best and the easiest solution. So yeah, so that you save some money while you travel. And yes guys, so before I just wanted to finish the video. What I additionally found in my bag is mosquito repellent. And as I mentioned in different videos, I have not found the #1 mosquito repellent which I really truly like and believe in. But this is a local one. We get it here in the supermarkets everywhere. And yeah, in the evenings and early mornings we have mosquitoes in Kenya. We do have malaria. Nakuru is not the area for mosquitoes or malaria at all. But any kind of safaris is always good to protect yourself. Good, so that was it already for today's video. If you liked it, give it a like. If there's anything which you think like, Sinja, I have a questions about safaris, or Sinja, can you please help me to plan my trip? You guys know where to find me, because I am your travel consultant and I can help you to plan your trip in Kenya. Just find the link, everything down in the description, and I see you guys soon in my next videos.